Review of the HMDX Rave. This isn't a brilliant speaker, I'll tell you why in a minute. It's not something to rave about. Pun, really funny. I'm joking. But anyway, back to the review. The problem with it is it has absolutely no low end to it whatsoever, and that is my rave about it. It just absolutely has no low end, and I doubt any of you know that, but I really like my low end because that's something that I like listening to a lot. Apart from that, it's a pretty good speaker. Obviously HMDX, so the range isn't very good on it. I've found that with most of the HMDX products. So anyway, on the top you have the blinking LED. It has a play pause button. It has a track fast forward, like next track and previous track. It has the volume up and down, which is just for the speaker, and it has another charging indicator light. And on the front it has a nice speaker grill with two separate drivers in there, and I think down the middle is where the bass ports are, but they aren't very good. They obviously don't work very well. And on the back here, if you notice something, it says HMDX Rave. It tells you the model number, and the same, it's a micro USB in, which is 5 volts, 1 amp, and this will charge up. This is what you use to charge it. This is the auxiliary cable, which is the if you don't have a Bluetooth device like an old iPod or anything, you can use that. Also, this is the off and on switch, which is on the back. Obviously HMDX, because on most of their products they obviously don't like putting power buttons in the easiest of places, so this one's on the back instead of on the front, somewhere easy to do. A little bit of HMDX branding up on the top here. And the build quality is quite good on it. It doesn't seem it at first, but it's pretty solid. It's made out of plastic, but it's pretty good. The front grill's made out of metal, obviously, because plastic would just crack, so this makes it a bit more sturdy. And on the bottom it has two rubber feet and two separate little knobbles which raise it off the thing just slightly, so then it's a lot easier. The speaker, I think, is, I'm not sure how many watts it is, but it is quite loud, but it just has no low end. The battery on it lasts about 4 hours, but with me, I don't think I've got as much as that out of it. I think I've got 3.5 hours out of it. That's playing at high volumes though. And apart from that, it's pretty good. Obviously, like I said, the range isn't great, but other than that, it's a pretty good speaker. I got this one on a sale cheaper, but you can get them in most places, like you can get them on Amazon. Link is in the description, as with all of the rest of the products. And other than that, it is an alright product. I probably wouldn't buy it again, but if you just want a speaker that is sort of chilled out and not very bass heavy, this is what you're going to go for, because of just the pure volume of it, because it's quite loud and quite high and that. But now we'll just do a sound test of it. I don't know if you can hear it through the microphone, but there isn't very good bass on it. We'll turn it up right to full volume. But it is loud! Back down to middle volume again. And we'll play it almost at the lowest volume. But apart from that, it is a pretty good speaker to buy. It just has no low end. And, well, if you're looking for something like that, then obviously you can go ahead and buy it. I think it's about 16 quid. And it's probably worth your money if you're looking for something like this. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.